Hello, student programmers. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey through the world of React hooks. Hooks are a groundbreaking feature in React that allow you to use state and other React features without writing a class. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to implement and leverage various React hooks, including useState, useEffect, and how to create your own custom hooks. Whether you're building dynamic interfaces, fetching data from an API, or creating reusable components, mastering React hooks will elevate your development skills. So grab your cup of coffee, and now let's dive into the code. Example 1 introduces the useState hook. useState is a hook that lets you add React state to function components. Here we declare a state variable count, initialized to 0. The setCount function is used to update the state. In the return JSX, we display the current count and provide a button that, when clicked, increments the count by 1. This example illustrates the basic setup and usage of state in functional components. Example 2 delves into the useEffect hook. UseEffect lets you perform side effects in function components, akin to lifecycle methods in class components. In this timer component, we create a state variable seconds to store the timer value. UseEffect is used to set up an interval that updates the second state every second. The cleanup function, which clears the interval, is returned from the useEffect to prevent memory leaks when the component unmounts. Example 3 combines useState and useEffect to fetch and display data from an API. Initially, data is set to null. UseEffect is used to fetch data once the component mounts, since the dependency array is empty. Once the data is fetched, it's stored in the datastate variable. The component conditionally renders loading, or the fetch data based on whether data is null. Example 4 demonstrates creating a custom hook, useFetch, to encapsulate the logic for fetching data. This makes the component cleaner and the logic reusable for different URLs. The custom hook returns the fetched data, which is then rendered by the showData component. Example 5 advances to a more sophisticated custom hook, useDynamicFetch, which takes a URL and dependencies array as arguments. This hook manages both the data and loading state, making it versatile for fetching data under varying conditions. The dynamic data component uses this hook and displays either the loading state or the fetched data. Through these examples, we explored the versatility and power of React hooks, progressing from basic to more complex use cases. React hooks provide a significant boost in terms of extensibility, as seen with the custom hooks that allow for code reuse across different components and scenarios. They also enhance reusability, demonstrated by the useFetch and useDynamicFetch hooks, which abstract away the data fetching logic, allowing for cleaner and more maintainable code. Lastly, React hooks contribute to efficiency by minimizing the boilerplate code required for state and lifecycle features, leading to faster development and fewer bugs. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.